Hey guys, this is the Lube guy, and yeah, we got another video on how to reset the oil light or the service maintenance on the BMW's F1 F2, which is the 7 series. Normally I use the computer at the shop, which is the Matco Maximus 2.0, but if you're trying to do it by yourself at home and you ain't got this computer, I'm gonna show you how. Okay, it's a 2014 BMW 740 Li X Drive. First thing you want to do, push on this without starting it, of course. Push on it, and when all the lights come on, all you gotta do, hold here till you see the car display pull up. It might take a while now. When you pull up, you pull out your hand, then now you browse with it. See, I'm trying to do the oil reset, so now I hold it again for it to reset the oil. And he asked me reset, and I hold it again to be like okay to reset. And you can see the reset is in progress, and as soon as it's done, you are ready and good to go. You see, reset successful. That's all you gotta do. Easy. You ain't gotta take it to no big dealership for people to do it. Change your oil yourself, change your filter, where to buy the filters in the top, and you reset it yourself. Even if you just did your brakes, all you gotta do is hold it, and whenever it pops up the sign, you can browse through it to do brakes, engine oil, brake fluid, whatever. But that's just for the oil life, and y'all can do it for anything. Thank you guys. Bye bye.